What's up, guys? I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. Okay, it's King Sites here. It's a new trading week, guys. Maybe this is your first time joining me. Do well to subscribe. Subscription is 100% free. Don't tell anybody, okay? So just subscribe, stay glued. Also turn the notification bell so that you're notified anytime I upload on my YouTube channel. All right, so you all are welcome on my YouTube. Okay, so today we'll be doing pre-market analysis. All right, so my chair is actually down because this thing, I don't know, the point that I used to pull up, I don't know whether it gets spoiled or what. All right, but I'm going to fix it. Okay, but meanwhile I have to do this video for you guys. Okay, so we'll be doing pre-market analysis, guys. As you all know, I trade just one pair, EURUSD, and I also analyze the XY, so that maybe if you trade other major currencies, you can actually use the direction, confirm with you. Then you can actually use my personal bias, then confirm it with your own personal analysis, then determine the direction bias for the week. Okay, so as simple as ABC, guys, I'll be using institutional order flow concept, all right, to analyze the market. So what I always do is I start from the higher time frame, which is mostly daily time frame. At times I go to the monthly or weekly time frame. Okay, so we determine the institutional order flow and the weekly direction bias. Okay, let's know where price is possibly drawing to next for the week. Do you think EURUSD is going to expand to the upside? Do you think it's going to decline to the downside? Do you think the XY is going to expand to the upside or decline to the downside? Okay, so we'll be analyzing, guys, with data. So let's see what we are having for the week, if we are going to the upside or we are going to the downside. But note that price books majorly based on liquidity, from internal liquidity to external liquidity. So personally, how I trade is once price gets to internal liquidity, I look for a reversal and swing it to the opposite liquidity, that's external liquidity. Then I will then trade the correction. Okay, let's say the price is bearish, I'll buy from lows. If a low is taken and reversal is confirmed, I will buy from that low into internal liquidity. Then I will take my profit, then wait for a reversal for a continuation to the downside. Okay, so that's how I trade. Reverse is the case if we are buying. Last week was really awesome, guys. We killed the market back to back, like 100% win rate, and some of the setup I actually dropped it in my Telegram channel. Okay, so maybe this is your first time joining me, just use the link on the description and join my free Telegram channel. Okay, I also have free classes where I teach institutional order flow concept and the rest. Okay, so just go to the pin message in the Telegram group and you have it, guys. So let's go to the chart. Let's see what we're expecting for now.
This is EURUSD, as we always do, guys. First of all, let's go to the XY. Let's analyze the XY. Let's see what we have before we then come to EURUSD. Beautiful. So looking at price right now, okay, so whenever we get to the chart, we ask ourselves these major questions. Number one is, where is price coming from? Okay, and where is the next draw on liquidity? Okay, so this question is really, really crucial, and for you to answer that question, you should determine where price is coming from. Okay, so how do you know where price is coming from? Number one, you look for the last swing point that price have taken. Okay, so it can be a swing high or swing low. Okay, so now looking on the XY right here, now you see it has taken this swing high right here, then pulled back, then put back into here. Okay, return internal liquidity, external liquidity, break a market structure to the upside, then it have taken this high. Okay, so you see price have taken this high right here, okay, in form of a continuation to the upside. You understand? So this is the last high price have taken. Okay, there's also a high price have taken here. Okay, there's another high at this point price have taken. All right, so you can see it, that's the buy side liquidity, right? So this is another high price have taken. So right here now, what do you expect? Remember, I told you guys that price books majorly based on liquidity, from internal liquidity to external liquidity and vice versa. Okay, so with this in mind, guys, so what do you expect next? So you should be expecting price to return into internal liquidity as price have taken the external liquidity. Okay, very, very simple, guys. So where is the next draw on liquidity? The next draw on liquidity should be the internal liquidity. Okay, expect price to do a little pullback into internal liquidity. So where do you think price should be returning to next? It may be down to this FVG. Okay, then a continuation to the upside. You understand? Or if today, which is Monday, closes with a gap, then price may likely pop into this gap, then continue to the upside. So this will be a breakaway gap. Okay, so if today closes with this gap, that means there are high chances that price may just fill the gap, then continue to the upside. Okay, why? Because price is actually bullish. RUF is bullish. Okay, so now let me show you guys the weekly time frame so that you see the next joint liquidity. You can see the another joint liquidity. Okay, you can see this price. Where is price coming from? Price coming from this weekly FVG. You see price took this high, price took this better liquidity, returning to this weekly FVG internal liquidity, then expanded to the upside. So where is it going to? It's going to take an external liquidity. So this is weekly time frame. So the major joint liquidity is this high, the high at 107.344. okay, so just take note of that. The major joint liquidity is this high. Okay, so that's where we are joining to. And you can see previous week expanded with a very healthy candle, telling you that the buyers are taking over. They are willing to push price to the upside to clear the liquidity sitting above this better liquidity. Then we have a major drop. Do you understand? So that's it, guys. Looking from the higher time frame, which is the weekly time frame. Okay, so the IOF is what? Bullish. So what am I expecting on the daily time frame? I'm expecting a little drop. Okay, if today closes with a gap, then it may be a little drop to this gap or to this gap, then a continuation to the upside. Okay, I have reversal confirmation. Once price drop into internal liquidity, I'll be looking for a classical break in market structure, maybe in 1 hour. Then I will know that price may hold at that particular level. So let's say price drop. Let's say today closed with this gap and price drop into it, and there is a break in market structure in the 1 hour. Therefore, it's a confirmation for price to continue to the upside. Then we are targeting the high here. Okay. So, but if price should jump very well, then it should be getting to this gap right here. Okay, so that is my expectation. The institutional down flow is still bullish. Okay, so but our joint liquidity is currently bearish. Okay, to fill the internal liquidity before a continuation to the upside. So that's what I'm looking at. Okay, a little drop, pullback into either of this gap or this gap. Okay, then a reversal to the upside. All right, just know that this week have higher chances of closing bullish. Okay. So that's it, guys. It's very, very simple. I'm going to drop a video on Wednesday where I teach how I actually catch my trade from the bottom, swing it to the upside, and catch it from the top, swing it to the downside. Okay, so that's the expectation for the week. Okay, I am overall bearish on EURUSD, but I'm currently buying into internal liquidity to sell to the downside. Okay, so that's it, guys. Let me show you the trade I'm currently holding. So you can see this trade I entered in the morning. It's actually kind of a swing trade. It may actually deliver today or not. Okay, but to me it's a swing trade. What I always target is 1:3 hour. Okay, so I'm expecting maybe if gap should be formed here, so that's why I actually targeted here first. Okay, so maybe once price completes this, or that once price delivers for this trade, okay, then if price want to read for the other FVG, you can see, then I will be trading continuation into that FVG. Okay, but for now I'm expecting 1:3 hour for this setup. Okay, 1:3 hour. Okay, so you can see price still ranging on 1 hour. Okay, I'm waiting for expansion. Okay, so or maybe price may deliver to downside, whichever one. That I will patiently wait for reversal, because this reversal must definitely happen. Okay, it must definitely happen. You understand? Okay, so even if this was kicked out, if I'm kicked out on this trade, I'll still wait for another reversal to buy back to the upside. Okay, so that's it, guys. That's the trade I'm currently holding. Okay, you can see it's late in a bit profit. All right, so it's still ranging. I'm waiting for a massive expansion, all right, in the marketplace for now. Okay, so that's it, guys.
You can see the trade I'm currently holding, guys. Okay, I'm expecting price to actually fill maybe the gap that's going to be created today, if today closes with a gap. Okay, if it doesn't, therefore we'll be aiming for the higher gap. You understand? Keeping it very simple. Okay, if I'm stopped out on the trade, definitely I'll be buying back. Okay, because that reversal will definitely come. Okay, so that's how I trade. Once I trade into internal liquidity, then I will wait for a reversal to trade to the downside. All right, it's a profitable week already. Okay, so we'll be executing 100%. all right, so maybe if you want to join us to trade, join my Telegram channel, free Telegram channel. Okay, there I share my trading setup. I also do pre-market analysis every single day. Okay, so I will follow up on price. Let's trade together. All right, so guys, join us. I also share to your friends so that they will join and make money together. All right, what's your bias on EURUSD? What's your bias on your pair? Okay, the pair you trade, what's your bias? Okay, what do you expect that price is going to do on that pair? All right, so job, maybe somebody may be learning from you, somebody may be like using your analysis to confirm their own bias. All right, so this week make sure you execute 100%. all right, once you see your setup, execute 100%. don't fear, two things will happen. Is it that your trade delivers or it hits stop loss? All right, just know that once you have an edge in the market, definitely the edge will always be in your favor. Okay, so focus on your execution, managing risk, and allowing your edge to play out. All right, I wish us good luck. I wish us a profitable week ahead. So till the next time, I wish you all good luck, and bye for now.